We bought chlorine-based detergent ultra gel from Lidl, and today we're gonna clear our washing machine from rust and mold.
Yeah, a lot of mold here. Look, a lot of mold and a lot of rust.
Yes.
Yeah, let's do it. It's easy task.
First we put it on the mop.
Like this.
And then we put it on the drum.
It smells like chlorine-based detergent.
Yeah, because it is. Now on and under the rubber.
And finally here. I think we need here more of it because it's too dirty. Yeah?
Yeah.
And next step, close the door.
And then pour 100 millimeters.
Here.
Yeah.
And the second.
Okay.
Okay.
And maybe a little bit. Okay.
Now close it.
Closed.
First you need to put on the longest mold you have on your washing machine.
Need easy and care and temperature.
The coldest you have.
Cold water.
And then
And
start.
it.
For us it's 2 hours and 47 minutes.
Okay. Let's see result after
Yeah.
2 hours.
Yeah. So after repeating the process 3 times, not all the mold is gone, but the most of it. And at the second and third times, we put also chlorine here and here. And leave it for 1 hour, and just to make it after 1 hour, just start the machine.